Hi, Bob C here, and I want to share something that I came across. Um, I needed a new water heater, and I was reading through the manual after I picked it up. They recommend having an expansion tank. Now, expansion tank is a device that when the water in the heater heats up and expands, it can have somewhere to go because they have a diaphragm in here and it will give. But then I thought about, I got this washing machine for a few years, and every time the valve shuts on and off, it closes so fast it causes a banging. So I thought, well, maybe the diaphragm would absorb that quick action of the valve and absorb, and so I wouldn't have any more water hammering. So, and I was also reading that people are now starting to suggest that you have two on, one on the hot side, one on the cold side. So that's what I did, and now the hammering has gone away when the washing machine shuts the valves off. So that's all I wanted to share with you. Have a good day. Bye.